Hi, my name is Sarah Stevens. The element that I have is sodium. Sodium's atomic number is 11, and it's also the number of protons. The most common isotope of sodium is Na23. In Na23, there are 11 electrons and 12 neutrons. The number of protons is equal to the number of electrons, which is 11. And then in a second, taking 23 and then subtracting 11 from that, which is the number of protons, will give us our number of neutrons, which is 12. So what family is sodium in? Sodium is part of the alkali metal family. The state of matter that sodium is a solid. Another question is, where is sodium found? Sodium is found in many different minerals, but never found as a pure element. So the most common compounds of sodium are going to be listed below. The first one is our normal table salt. The second one is soda ash, and the third is baking soda. And then over to the side, we have the uses for these different compounds. So usually to find the mass, you would have the different mass of each isotope and kind of find the by its natural abundance, and then find the average of that. But for this one, it's monoisotopic or isotopic. I might have said that word wrong. So we just have one of the isotopes for sodium. So that's why its mass is that. Its atomic weight would be the number of protons and neutrons together, which should be 23 because our protons are 11 and our neutrons are 12. So here we have, it is the second one down. That is sodium's atomic line spectrum. And as you can see, there's just two little yellow lines there. So these atomic line spectrums are forming because excited electrons enter high energy orbitals and then fall back to their lower energy. And this gives off a proton of light of a specific wavelength, which was displayed in the last picture, which showed sodium's atomic line spectrum with its two yellow lines. So, an interesting fact about sodium's atomic line spectrum, which I've already mentioned, but I kind of thought it was cool because the other ones had many colors and they just had yellow. Thank you so much for watching.